Alright, here we go. Hey, look. The Farron Woods that you know so well, they're now covered in twilight. You might not be able to come back here, but do you still want to go? Yes. Where are you going? Come on! Ah! Farron Woods. What the heck was that for? Huh? So these are the weapons you use in your world. Sheesh. You really think this can slay the creatures of Twilight? Well, I won't use these, but I'll hang on to them for you. Alright, a promise is a promise. I trust you enough to help. In exchange for my help, though, I need you to gather some things for me. Look, I can't tell you all the details, but it'll be easy. Trust me. But enough about that. Do you hear that noise? It's the lamentation of the spirit that had its light stolen. Where in the world could it be? Better get going, don't you think? Don't blame me for your world's fate if you don't hurry up and find that light. Come on, snap to it. Farron Woods, huh? Twilight. Can you stop yawning? What the? Oh, we're barricaded again? Oh, come on! Hey, yeah! Ah, we're pinned in again. Who do they think they're dealing with? No need to take these little pests on one at a time, right? You can take them all at once. So, you can handle this by yourself, can't you? Wait, what? Good luck. Bye! What? Oh, come on! Alright. Alright. That's one. Alright, come here. Alright. And... come on. Wait, they come back? Come on. You bastard! What's the holdup? If you leave the last one alive, it's just going to use that shriek to bring the others back. Listen, let me help you out here. Just move like I tell you. I'll expand an energy field, so enclose all enemies within it and release. Okay. I hope you know what you're doing. We're gonna try it out. Here we go! Whoa. I guess we did it. Huh? What is that? That's the light, you idiot! Please, be careful. These woods have changed. The dark clouds of dusk cover this land, bruh. This drape of shadows is called Twilight. In this twilight, those who live in the light become as mere spirits. It is a place where the dark ones and evil creatures dwell. I am a spirit of light. Blue-eyed beast. Look for my light. Retrieve the light stolen by the dark beast and keep it in this vessel. You got the vessel of light. It's crucial to collecting the tears of light. You can fill it, blah, blah, cut through the twilight. Alright, cool. In the shadows of twilight, the dark insects are as invisible as normal beings are here. Let me use the last of my power to reveal the locations of the dark insects that consumed the light. Find the insects of darkness. The dark insects, they are the form taken by evil once it has latched onto our scattered light. Well, we're gonna have to end it there, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and peace. Yep.